You have heard the horror stories. Electric vehicle batteries die overnight, and replacing one costs more than the car. That fear keeps thousands of people from ever buying electric. But here is the truth: batteries almost never fail the way people imagine. It's not sudden death, it's slow, predictable, and most of the time preventable. And in this video I will show you the myths, the real killers, and simple habits that save your battery and thousands of pounds. Part 1. The silent killers, myths versus reality. People fear sudden death. In reality, EV batteries fade gradually, just like your phone, but slower thanks to cooling and software. Range loss of 10–20% over years is normal degradation, not failure. Replacement actually is rare. Most packs are designed for 8–10 years. And 100–150k miles minimum, often much more. Consequence: many drivers panic sell perfectly good EVs, losing thousands just because they misunderstood the numbers. Part 2. What actually kills EV batteries? Extreme heat and cold. Heat cooks cells, cold slows them down. Cars without active cooling, like early Nissan Leaf, lose range faster. Consequence: live in a hot climate, park in the sun every day, battery health crashes. Next one, too much fast charging. DC rapid chargers are convenient, but hard on cells when used constantly. Consequence: rely only on fast chargers. Capacity drops years earlier. Next one, deep dischargers. Running to 0% often stresses the pack. Electric vehicle batteries prefer 20–80%. Consequence: kill your battery faster than normal use. Part 3. Beyond the obvious, there are hidden factors at play. Software glitches and BMS malfunctions. Your EV's battery management system, BMS, is EV's brain. It controls charging, discharging, and temperature. A glitch or fault here, often due to outdated software, can cause cells to become unbalanced or lead to inefficient charging, slowly damaging the pack. Next one. Physical impact and accident damage. Even a minor fender bender can cause unseen internal damage to battery models. While often covered by insurance, this is the real threat that can compromise the battery safety and longevity down the line. Next, manufacturing defects. While rare, they do happen. A defective cell or model can lead to premature degradation. And this is where your warranty is ultimate shield. So always know its turns. Find this useful? Hit subscribe for more car advice. Part 4. How to protect your battery. So, how do you protect your investment and make your EV battery last? First, optimize charging habits. Embrace the 80–20 rule, which means for daily use, keep your battery charged between 20 and 80%. Only charge to 100% when you need full range for long trip. And this is the single most important thing you can do. Second, smart parking and temperature management. Avoid extreme heat and cold when it's possible. Park in the shade and use preconditioning. And if your car has active battery cooling, let it do its job. Number 3. Regular software updates and diagnostic checks. Always install manufacturer's software updates. They often contain critical BMS improvements. Also use OBD tools or dealer diagnostics to regularly check your battery SOH and cell balance. Part number 5. The future. Solid-state batteries promise faster charging and long life, but still a few years out. Health monitoring tools with apps already predict battery life using AI. Warranties keep expanding. Many brands now cover 8–10 years. Consequence: the dead battery nightmare is fading fast. The future looks much stronger. To summarize, EV batteries don't suddenly die. They degrade slowly, predictably. Protect them with a few smart habits, and they will last longer than most owners keep their cars. If this video improved you to protect your EV battery, put like and don't miss out, subscribe for more.